Well, my oh my, look at this thing. So I'm going to block off this section because it got my address on it. But this bad boy came, UPS, finally came. It's my garage mat. It wasn't as cheap as the other one. It was about, let's see, I'll say a little over 3 times as much as the cheap fabric one you might have seen in previous videos for the garage. But it wasn't that bad considering now how heavy it is, but I can't see any like weight. Normally on the shipping label it'll say like ounces or pounds, but it's not saying it. Let me check over here. Alright, I'm not. Oh, wow. Okay. Maybe it's just because it's so bulky. So it's 44 pounds. It just feels a lot heavier than that. I assume it's just so bulky. Let's step it off. My feet are 12 and a half, so let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's about 10 feet long. I think it's 14 feet long, 10 feet wide. I believe it's what it is. So we're gonna go install it and show you guys how it looks. But really, for the price, we'll see the quality, but it definitely is not one of those cheap roll-up mats. I think the other one that I got, I paid $40 for, and it weighed like 2 pounds. So, yeah, I actually did open a case against them, and I did get my money back because of how cheap it was made and bad quality. So, alright guys, let's go head out. So, before I put the mat down, I'm going to use my Ryobi leaf blower to blow out all of the dirt and stuff in here. So this is that cheap mat I was talking about. This thing, just junk. I mean, yeah. I mean, it works as a soft, just to drive on, but other than that, that's it. So we're actually just gonna leave it under here. Alright, let's start blowing around here. Let's create some dust. This is gonna be dirty. I guess we should move this mat. No! It's getting dirty! We got out as much as we need to. And I got the windows down too, so that's alright. I gotta clean it yet again. Anyway, so that reminds me I need to put stuff in because right now, after I put the mat down, I'm headed to get new tires put on. So, fun. Okay, so we got it down. Got stuff in the corners to get it flattened because the corners want to roll up. Something I noticed about the Mustang, the front lip, I mean, it had to be like that before I got it. I guess I just didn't check it out. Is the front lip Looks like it used to have a chin spoiler on, and someone cracked it, and the bumper's cracked here too. So hopefully I can get body shop to fix that. But yeah, you can see on both sides that there was a lip that went the whole way underneath, kind of like I already got for the car. It's not a big deal because I got a new one to put there. The bumper cracked, hopefully that can be fixed. So anyway, just something random I noticed. I definitely saved this car though. This car, yeah, a lot of cracked issues and stuff that I'm gonna replace. So overall, it's just gonna be definitely a lot better. If you guys seen the previous videos of taking the carpet out, showing you the rust and just different stuff that I'm repairing and fixing, and it looks like bumper was painted at one point. You can see right here, someone just rattle canned it. Still got even a little drip there, mark. So they were just, so someone did a bad touch-up job. I assume it was a fender bender or something, or they hit a curb or something, because under the Carfax there was no accident reports, so must not have been anything with another vehicle. Alright guys, so it looks nice. This is all rubber, so it's definitely gonna make things nice in here. I gotta head out to the tire shop, so see you guys in a bit.